Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what we want to talk about today is the amazing Millionaire Mailer IV program that's been around about 5 years and is still pulling in $250 money order cashier's checks and cash directly to my mailbox. Um, I mean, this program, man, is crazy. I consider anything uh 250 and up. I guess you can consider it sort of big ticket. And it, like the flyer says, it's extremely powerful. Uh, like I say, it would normally cost $1,000 for you to get in this, but it's only gonna cost $500 for you to join. As you can see, I got two free spaces on my flyer, and like I say, it's only $500 to join. All you gotta do is send me 250 and the monitor 250, and there you go. You're gonna get your camera made flyers. You're gonna get the marketing kit. And it's going to teach you how to approach the mail order business, especially if you're a newbie. Some of you guys are already experienced, and some of you guys are already in other mail order stuff. But even if you are, the report or whatever might put you on some stuff you didn't know. But all you got to do is mail out every week. If you got a big budget, mail out every day. You know. It just depends on what you're able to do, but you gotta stay consistent. I can't preach enough. It's about duplication. Whatever you do, I'm telling y'all guys what to do. You just mail out every week or every day or every other day or every week, like I said, on a consistent basis, and you get your downline to do the very same thing. And that's how you create a real powerful mailing team. Everybody on the same page, everybody consistent with their marketing efforts. And what I tell people all the time, just imagine your name on thousands of flyers or tens of thousands of flyers with the chance to make $250 a pop off of each flyer. I mean, that's just common sense. What you would like to have after in circulation. So this program is phenomenal. I mean, you get 250 a pop. I mean, that's just crazy. Just imagine getting two of them in one day or even two of them in a week. That's a $500 week. I know people who kill themselves, work 40 hours, sometimes even more than that, and don't make 500 a week. Or they might make 500, but after they take out, deduct so many stuff out they check every week or every 2 weeks, it's not even near 500. They might take 350. They might not even take that. It just depends on what kind of job they have. So you definitely want to get in the Millionaire Mailer 4. And also, when you join Millionaire Mailer 4, you're going to get Millionaire Mailers 3, 2, and 1 for free for joining this. So that should motivate you. And just imagine getting all these other people to join. And they gonna get 3, 2, and 1 under you. And then they mail it consistently every week. So then they gonna get the mail order guy how to approach the mail order business, and you just get them to duplicate what you doing. And that's what you call right here massive leverage. I mean, $250 payments. Imagine your name on tens of thousands of flyers with a chance on each one to get $250. I mean, that's just a complete no-brainer. And then you're gonna get Millionaire Mailer 3, 2, and 1. So there's really nothing else left to say, is it? I mean, what more can I say to you? Like Jay-Z say, what more can I say to you? You know? I mean, it's incredible. So, with that being said, I'm gonna put the link to my blog down below, my brand new blog. You click on the mail order programs tab and you find me in Mailer 4 and you get the PDF and you print it out and follow the directions and send the money to me in my monitor or the monitor of the programs or whatnot. And that's it. And get the marketing, getting them tens of thousands of flyers out there, because none of it mean nothing. Me sitting here saying this if you don't take action. So click on the blog link below that I got down there. Subscribe to my videos. Click that notification bell. I've been doing this 11 years as far as mail order and affiliate online marketing. And when you get to my blog, click on the mail order programs tab. Again, subscribe to my video, click on the notification bell, and check out my other pages on my blog as well. And you definitely want to check out the stamp program I got, because I got 2 of them over there, and that will offset a lot of y'all postage. You definitely want to throw that offer in. You definitely want to join that, throw that offer in, offset your postage costs, because most people don't complain about buying the envelopes or buying the leads. They complain about the postage. And it's nothing like thousands of stamps. And then if you get too many stamps, guess what? You can sell them for 10 a book or whatever. Somebody willing to pay for them. So it's just a win-win all around situation. So that being said, y'all have a good day. Click on the link below, subscribe, click on that notification bell, and have a wonderful day. Bye.